Meaning of HMS.
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 HMS. HMS is an abbreviation used to represent the phrase hours, minutes, and seconds. It is commonly used in the context of timekeeping and measuring durations of time. In this system, 1 hour is divided into 60 minutes, and each minute is further divided into 60 seconds. This allows us to express exact times with great accuracy by specifying the number of hours, minutes, and seconds that have elapsed since a given starting point. The HMS system is widely used in many fields such as astronomy, navigation, and sports timing.